AI and deepfakes emerge as top financial crime risks. Financial institutions are facing a growing trust crisis as artificial intelligence increasingly fuels sophisticated financial crimes. Welcome to War India News Hour. According to a recent survey by the Association of Certified Anti-Money Laundering Specialists ACAMS, deepfakes and generative AI tools have emerged as the most significant threats confronting the sector. ACAMS surveyed more than 1,000 AML professionals worldwide, with 68% identifying AI driven fraud as their biggest challenge by 2026. Criminals are now using deepfake videos to bypass KYC checks, voice cloning to manipulate call centers, and synthetic identities to evade transition monitoring systems. Fraudsters are leveraging generative AI tools to create highly convincing phishing emails, forged documents, and real time video impersonation during digital onboarding. Respondents reported a 40% increase in AI assisted account takeovers, underscoring how quickly traditional verification processes are being undermined. For CIOs, the challenge lies in deploying advanced countermeasures such as biometric anomaly detection, AI driven behavioral analytics, and tamper proof audit trails. However, 55% of respondents expressed concern that internal adoption of defensive AI technologies is lagging, creating new security laps. The survey stresses the need for a hybrid human AI oversight model to restore trust. ACAMS respondents measures including mandatory defect watermarking, real time AI forensics, and stronger cross industry data sharing. As criminals continue to innovate, proactive regulation and sustained investment in advanced technologies will be critical to protecting the financial ecosystem from the darker side of AI. Let's look into today's headlines. I4C exposes and crushes the Wingo Telecom Mule network. Millions of Indians have received alarming SMS alerts claiming an unpaid traffic challan, often carrying a suspicious link and demanding immediate payment. The messages looked official while the sender was a regular 10-digit Indian mobile number. What most recipients did not know was that these messages were sent from the phones of ordinary Indian citizens whose devices have been silently turned into tools of cybercrime. This fraud was exposed and disrupted after a coordinated crackdown by the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center I4C under Ministry of Home Affairs MHA. LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman linked to the newly released Epstein files. Newly released documents from Jeffrey Epstein's files have unearthed a new link to LinkedIn co-founder and venture capitalist Reid Hoffman. The material is part of the broader disclosure by the US Department of Justice, which is continuing its review of millions of Epstein related records. According to the New York Post, the documents include emails and apparent scheduling memos referring Hoffman's visit or planned stays at several properties owned by Epstein, including his Manhattan townhouse, a ranch in New Mexico, and the private Caribbean island of Little Saint James. Oracle plans to raise up to $50 billion in 2026 for cloud buildup. Oracle Corporation plans to raise $45 to $50 billion this year through a combination of debt and equity sales to build additional cloud infrastructure capacity. Oracle is raising money to build additional capacity to meet the contracted demand from the company's largest cloud customers, including Advanced Micro Devices Inc., Meta Platforms Inc., Nvidia Corporation, OpenAI, TikTok Inc., and XAI Corporation. The company's shares have fallen around 50% from its record price on September 10th, wiping out roughly $460 billion in market value. Nvidia CEO Huang confirms huge investment in OpenAI, denies any friction. Jensen Huang said on Saturday that Nvidia plans to make a huge investment into OpenAI, probably its largest ever. While denying reports that he was unhappy with the ChatGPT maker, the chip maker is in September announced plan to invest up to $100 billion in OpenAI, a deal that would give OpenAI the cash and access it needs to buy advanced chips that are key to maintaining its dominance in an increasingly competitive landscape. However, the Wall Street Journal reported on Friday that the plan had stalled after some inside the chip giant expressed doubts about the deal. SpaceX's new initiative Stargaze aims to prevent satellite collisions. As our Earth's orbit becomes increasingly crowded with satellites and space debris, SpaceX has unveiled a new initiative aimed at improving safety and sustainability in space operations called Stargaze. The system is SpaceX's latest move to strengthen space situational awareness SSA across the global space community. Space situational awareness refer to a sophisticated network of sensors, data systems and analytical software used to track objects orbiting the earth. The goal is to monitor their movement accurately to prevent collisions and ensure the long-term safety of orbital operations. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow War India magazines. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.